Hi everyone, this is Ms. Maina. Today we're going to find the area and circumference of a circle. Okay, so our circumference formula is either 2 pi r, where r is the radius, or it could be the diameter times pi. Okay, because 2 radius equals a diameter, or I guess 2 radii equals 1 diameter. Okay, our area formula is pi r squared. Okay, so if we look, the diameter goes through the center points and touches 2 points on the edge. So right here, this whole thing right here would be our diameter. Okay, so let's write that word in. Whereas the radius goes from the center point to one of the edges. Okay, so it's only half of the diameter. Okay, so let's look at our first example. It says find the area of the circle below. Okay, so again, our area formula was pi r squared. Well, currently we're given the diameter. Okay, to find the radius, we're going to take 18 and divide it by 2 because we only want half of it. So our radius is 18 divided by 2, which is 9. Okay, so we plug it in. Area equals pi times 9 squared. And we're going to type that into our calculator. So this right here, we're going to type into our handy dandy calculator. Okay, so we're going to add a new calculator screen. We're going to find the pi button right here, pi times 9 squared. And we're going to round to the nearest tenth, so 1 decimal place. So I have 254.46. That 6 tells me the 4 becomes a 5. So 254.5. So my area is 254.5 meters squared. And that's it. Okay, looking at the next one, find the circumference of a circle below, and we're given the radius. So we're going to use the 2 pi r formula. Okay, so circumference equals 2 pi r. So we have 2 times pi times our radius, which is 4. So I'm going to type this directly into my calculator. So I have 2 pi times 4. I get 25.13. The 3 tells me the 1 stays the same, so 25.1. And it's inches. I do want to show you that if we use the other formula, we'll get the same. So if I wanted to use my diameter, okay, it's going to be 2 times 4, which is 8. So if I do the diameter times pi, I get 8 times pi. 8 times pi is still 25.1. So just so you know that they are the same. Doesn't matter which method you decide to use. Okay, so the circumference is like the perimeter around the circle. The area is figuring out how much space is covered in the middle of the circle. So if you have any questions, please reach out to your teachers. Other than that, have a great day, Ranger.